What's up, guys? Stacy here from Becoming Financially Fit, and today we're going to be talking about what is credit. Before we get into the content, I produce videos about personal finance, financial literacy, savings, and investing. So if you're interested in any of those topics, make sure you subscribe right now to stay notified on my posts in the future, and also make sure you hit the bell notification to get notified anytime I post a new video. Alright, let's get into it. So for starters, what is credit? Credit is defined as an individual's ability to obtain goods or services before payment, based off of the trust that repayment will come sometime in the near future. An individual's credit is way more than a 3-digit number. It can dramatically change their standard of living or change the price they pay for many different things. Credit is hard to obtain when you've never borrowed, and it can be even harder to obtain when you've overborrowed. On the other hand, credit can seem almost limitless when you've established yourself as a trustworthy individual with a track record of on-time payments. Your credit score is based on the following 5 factors: payment history, credit utilization, length of payment history, credit mix, and the number of credit inquiries you've had in the past year or 2 years. Each one of these factors can be considered exceptional, very good, good, fair, or poor. The goal is to achieve an exceptional or very good rating in each one of the 5 categories listed. In most cases, a score of 750 and above will be considered exceptional, while a score of between 700 and 750 will be considered very good. Banks and lenders tend to favor these individuals in the very good and exceptional categories because they are considered low risk, and they're also given lower interest rates and higher credit limits based off of those factors. Scores of between 650 and 699 are considered good, but they may have some negative impacts on the borrowers. Lenders may charge high interest rates or deny credit altogether depending on their lending practices. Credit scores not only affect what you can borrow, but in some cases they also affect where you live and where you work. In most cases, landlords and apartment owners don't rent to individuals with credit scores below the 700 range because of fears of late rent payments or no rent payments received on time at all. Most businesses nowadays also run background and credit check on all potential employees, and those decisions can be used during the hiring process. In summary, at some point, credit will become a factor in your life, whether you're house hunting, car shopping, or ready to break into corporate America. The best way to prepare your credit profile is to make sure you know where you stand. Sites like Credit Karma or Chase's Credit Journey are free sites that can help break down each one of the credit factors we discussed before. Take the first step by checking your credit and taking charge of your financial future. If you guys have any questions on this topic, or you want me to discuss a new topic in the future, make sure you leave a comment below and let me know about the topics that you would like to see. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to make sure you can become financially fit.